So yun, good morning mga par. Welcome back to my channel again. So, today is Sunday mga par, no? And magsisimba kami. Tama ko si Inday na very pretty. Yan si nanay. Yeah. Wait lang kami sa ano. Ayun. Ayan mga par. Oy, salamat pala doon sa ano, sa kagabi. Kina Jepoy. Oh, let's go na. No? Lisan mo na. Ay, huwag mo si mami, oh. Iwanan mo yung nanay mo. 181. Hinday. Let's go. 181. I think this is the one. 181? 181 ba to? Oh, this is the one. 81. So yun, biyahe lang kami mga par. Ayun mga par. Yeah?
But not that much. Have you tried mayo with carrots?
Yeah.
Baby carrots or something?
Yeah. Ayun, nakakadali kami mga par. Sarap oh, nakaano na lang oh. Pa-jacket na lang oh. Hindi na malamig, right, Inday?
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh, dito na tayo.
A little bit of snow.
Sarap ng panahon mga +4. Be careful oh.
It's cold. No, it's not. There's sun.
Yeah.
Look.
So yan,
In summer.
sarap na ng panahon mga ganito, pwede na mag-ihaw-ihaw eh. Pwede na sa backyard ko oh. Yes.
Elsa will be defeated because her ice powers won't work.
Yeah.
She's gonna have 5
Okay.
powers.
Uh-huh.
You know, she's ice powers and it's gonna melt. We can find it. I mean water.
Water.
Water. Water powers.
Water.
So whatever.
I mean water. Oh, here.
There's a grass.
You mean water?
Oh look, the grass has come back. Hello,
Wow.
grass.
Hello grass.
Never touch the
Welcome
grass.
back grass. So mami, mahal pala niya no?
I mean,
Bus na yan.
no, man. Oh, it's still foggy. Lamig.
Lamig ah. So yun, church lang kami mama. Pasok na kami. Maya ulit. Where are we going?
To the pool to check if it's full. Oh, that's already.
To the pool to check if it's full.
Yeah, it's already.
Yeah.
Full. And I'm wearing my slippers.
Yeah, we're
Nice to
sleep
see
lang
you.
sinda.
We're gonna check the pool.
Yeah. Okay. Puntahan namin yung pool mga par.
Not in this. It's uncomfortable, but it's okay. I wait for me to.
Puntahan namin yung pool mga par. No? Kung, kasi nakaraan walang tubig eh. Sinda yun. So hindi mag-swimming eh.
Okay.
Yeah. Ayun.
Sounds like potatoes in here.
Yeah.
Potatoes and meadow together. Yeah,
Potatoes and melon.
potato. Okay, let's go.
Right. Left, right. Left.
It's a cry. I mean, it's a cry.
Okay, fine. Oh, di ba ano hindi yung painting?
Guys,
Oh, I smell ano hindi.
pasta.
Yeah.
Okay, shh.
The Concilium Club. Let's go. Alamig.
I smell them.
Yeah. may tubig yung swimming pool.
If it's full, then we'll go back and change into our swimming clothes, okay? And remember, before we go to the swimming pool, you have to pee.
We what?
You have to pee.
Okay. Oh, open. Yun ang bowling.
There's nobody there. But the...
Ah, madumi pa Inday. Ayan oh, ang dumi oh. Hindi pa nila pinapaswimmingan yan. Nilalagyan na ng water.
And there's no water in there.
Yeah, wait here. Oh, wala pa.
Wait for me. Where are you?
Hindi pa nila, ayun, nililinis pa Inday yun. Nilalagyan pala, look. Nilalagyan pala na ng chlorine. Nilalagyan pa nila ng chlorine. Ano? See, napa, it's not ready.
Were you lying about the whole day?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, see,
Bowling oh.
see the video, see.
Pati bowling mga par. Yun yung bowling
I
namin.
don't want to switch pools because I love bending.
Huh?
I love
Bowling. Yan yung bowling namin mga par. Dalawang ano, abali apat. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Pero dalawa lang yung ano. Yung pool hindi pa ready oh. Yan. Let's go Inday. Pa Inday. Baka next week pa yan Inday.
to wait more.
Yeah. Kasi mayroon pa naman tayong ano dito, end of May. So, March, April, and then May. So, we have a lot of time. See. What's that? After you, lady.
I smell coffee now.
Coffee? Wala. Walang ano mga par. Ito may mga pag-swimming ni Inday.
Dad, I don't want to switch pools. I love bending.
Oh, eh, diyan ka muna.